Hi guys and welcome back to Cyber Warriors YouTube channel, and once again I am back with the second series of web designing course. So as you can see that in the first lecture of web designing I have taught you about how to make HTML forms with table, and you have liked this video, so I decided to start second series from today onwards. So on my channel you can find tutorials about Kali Linux, web designing, Photoshop and CorelDRAW coming soon as possible. So let us begin the tutorial. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be get notified about my future updates. So today we will be making a website on the topic burger. As you can see, here's the look of the website. So in the top of the page or website, as you can see that there are certain links. When I hover or drop my mouse on home, about us, contact us, menus and so on, the color of the background changes. The default color, not default, the assigned color is purple itself, but when I drop my mouse here, the color changes from purple to green, and the font color remains same from white to white. As you can see that it's look pretty good because of the changing effects in color. In the middle of the page here we have a banner of burger, which is simple, and if I scroll down on the bottom of the page, here you can see 4 different images. While dragging the mouse upon them, it zooms in front of us, right? So this is a complete tutorial on HTML and CSS itself, HTML5. So as you can see that here I have the zooming effect, and in the second row I have the drop down effect. As you can see that Cyber Warriors YouTube channel, and here's the link of my channel. So yeah, you can have the price list, the name of the burger, either it is veg, non-veg, chicken burger, etc., and the price list, combo, special discount and all. You can write it here onwards. So I applied 3 different themes and animations. First one is the color changing, second one is the zooming effect, and the third one is the drop down effect. So as this is our bottom of the page designed by Cyber Warriors YouTube channel, if you will click on it, you will be redirected to our YouTube channel. Here's have a look on it. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, just subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. So we will be making a website template on burger today. So let's get started. Here I have downloaded some of the images. As you can see that here I have different images of burger, and here's a banner, there's a second banner, third banner and so on. So first of all, you must download your images from Google or being whatever you want as per your wish, then a banner, and you must have a Notepad++, or you can also use Notepad. So I'm starting a new document. First of all, we are working on HTML platform, so we will type HTML, then we will type head and then title, then assign a title, then close the title tag and also close the style tag. So here it's how it look like. So first of all, I would like to save the document, so click on this and go to this PC, save as per your wish, as per your directory, select the file type is equals to all and provide any name, but After dot, you must provide the type to HTML and hit enter. Here you can see that I have a document known as HTML and it's blank now, right? So what I can do is, but we have assigned a title like Burger Theme by Cyber Warriors. So first of all, what I want my page to display a banner, sorry, not banner, the links, headings and navigation bar, home, about us, contact us, menus, variety, feedback, sign up and login. So we will be making this. For this I am using table tag, table, inside the body tag. So just start body tag, then table tag, and assign the border is equals to 3, and as per your wish, then the width of table should be 100%. In my case, in your case it can differ. Then a table consists of table row and a table data. In the first data of table, I am providing home, and after that close the table data. Then file and save, or you can press simply Ctrl+S to save your document. Reload the page, you will find home. After that we have about us, contact us and menu. So I want a second table data, and here I will have about us, then close the table data, save the document and reload it. You can see that we have home tab and about us tab. Next we have contact us and menu tab. So just type this third table data and contact us. After that we need to close the table data, and once again we need TD and menu. After that close the table data. So here we have the 4 links. After that we need varieties and feedback. Similarly we will type the same table data, varieties and /td, feedback, sign up and login. TD once again, sign up and /td, and the last one what we need is TD, login, and just close the table data, right? Save your document and press Ctrl+S and reload it. As you can see that we have completed our navigation bar or links to this. But what I notice is that the boxes are not properly aligned and not of proper width. As you can see that the width of menu is small and the variety is larger than it, and feedback also. So all of them are differ, but in case here we have all are aligned properly, proper height and proper width. So we want our this document to be aligned properly, to be assigned the proper height and proper width. For this simply count 1 2 3 4 3 5 6 7 8. We have 8 boxes or 8 table data. Let us confirm 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after that we need to close the table row and table itself. So we have 8 separate table data. Just open your calculator and we have assigned, as you can see, that the width of table is 100%. So type here 100 divided by 8 boxes, it's 12.5%. So what I will do is I will assign the width of each box to be 12.5% and save the document, reload it. As you can see that the size has been changed. Similarly, we need to change the width of each table data. So similarly type the same width is equals to 12.5% for about us. Similarly width is equals to 12.5 for contact us. Let us check first. So as you can see that these three boxes have been aligned properly, have been assigned the width of equal size. Similarly, you need to change the height and width of each table data. So I am assigning the width to each box of 12.5. So it's done. Reload, save and check. We have aligned all the boxes properly like this. Now what we need is to align the text in the center of the box, right? For this we will align each table data in center. So simply type ALIGN, align is equals to center. Save the document and reload it. As you can see that the home tab has been aligned in center itself. Similarly, we need to align our each boxes. So I am typing the same code for each TD. Let us cross check once again. As you can see that from home till menu, all the tabs have been aligned in center. So type it for all. So here we have almost done our work. Similarly for login. So it's done. Save the document and reload it. As you can see that as compared to this, we have almost done. Yeah, the themes and the effects will be done in deep soon. So what now? We need the background color of each box to be purple. So what I can do is I can simply type the background color of table. It means the BG color is equals to purple. Now save it, reload. So we have the background color purple. So now we want our text to be white color. So simply click before home and type font color is equals to white. So as you can see that we have done it. So once done, just provide the border of table to be 0 so that it should not show the border. But as you can see that here we have the white line beyond them between contact us and menu and so on, this. But here we have a plain row itself. So I do not want my table to be color purple. So what we will do is we will remove the code from here and paste the code to separate table datas and save the document to cross check it. As you can see that here we have a separate color for separate boxes. Similarly, paste to all and Ctrl+S to save the document, and we have the same menus like this in our this document. So similarly, copy the code of color and paste before each text and save it and reload it. You can see that we have successfully designed 95% of our navigation bar. So what next? We need to change the height, increase the height, and want when we drop our mouse here the color should change. For this we need to create a CSS file. For this, scroll upward and before closing the head tag, start a tag known as style, hit enter, and if you are providing your own name, your own custom name, you need to provide a hash, and I am simply typing links. Start a curly brackets and hit enter. Now what I want is the background color what I want it to be, the height should be, so first of all increase height, save the document, let us cross check it. Okay, there's a problem, we haven't closed the style tag. So if you have forgotten to close the style tag, you will not be shown anything in your document. So 15% is very bigger, so let us assume it to be 10%. Save and almost done, right? We have almost done, but want this effect. So come back to your document once again, and here I'm making it class, so I'm using the dot. I want the color, I want their border dash radius to be 10 pixels curved. Now here at the end of TD I will use class and this name. To use my CSS, simply reload and we have a curve effect, right? So copy this line because border radius is used for curve, and paste to all the TDs to use the CSS. As you can see that we have made much more better than here. So what I want is a color changing effect. So just come to our document, I want dot links and a subpart. When I drop my mouse over there, links :hover, and what will be done here is the background color should change from purple to green. Just type green there and semicolon for terminating the line. Ctrl+S and see this. While we move our mouse cursor over the links, the color changed from purple to green. Same in this case. So if you want the font color should also be changed, simply type here color and the name of the color. Let us assume that yellow, and press Ctrl+S. So there's YELLOW. Okay, no problem. We will be discussing it later on. So we have completed our one task, that is of this. So what I want next is this banner. So let us come back to my folder. Here I have a banner name as banner and its type is JPG image. Now close the table because we want to come outside of this table and simply type, we want to insert an image, we need to type img space src is equals to, img is image, src means source. So the name of the document is banner dot jpg, control plus s and reload. As you can see that we have completed almost all the document, right? So as you can see that I can scroll towards right, but here I can't. So I want this to be implemented in this document. So simply type the width of image should be 100% and should not exceed the page itself. Now I want the height to be smaller. So simply type height is equals to, and height as per your wish, I am simply typing 95%. So it haven't reflected yet. Just change this to 85% and save the document and reload it. As you can see that it's almost same. So what next? We want 4 different images. For this, so simply I am starting a table here. Table border is equals to, assign a border, and obviously the width of our table, in my case I am taking it as 100%. Hit enter. A table consists of table row and table data. Save it, reload it. You can see we have successfully inserted our table over here. Now I want in first TD there should be an image. For this I have assigned my images from 1 to 8 name, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. So I am typing here image tag img src is equals to 1.png. png is the type of my image. So let me cross check. Okay, it's of png and 1, so 1.png. Reload, and here we have our image ready. I want second TD over there and one next image in it. Simply close this TD, hit enter, start a new TD, start image tag once again, type the name of image followed by its type and close the table data. Save your document and reload your page or refresh your page. Now we want 2 more images. Simply I am typing the same thing once again, td imgs src is equals to 3.png. Close the TD. So we are done. There is 4 images. There are 4 images, as you can see that. What I want is my third image should be smaller as compared to first one. So just move on to third image code and type height is equals to, let us assign it 20%. Reload your page and it's of 20%. And obviously the height of second image should be smaller. Simply type height is equals to 20%. The height of each image will differ as per the resolution of the image. So you cannot assign 20% to each images or 10% to each image, right? So I want to make the first image to be smaller. Simply type height is equals to 20%. Save the changes, and here what I notice is I need to increase the height. So let us make it 70%. Yeah, it's good enough. And the second one should also be increased. So I am typing it 65%. Let us make this 75. Yeah, it's almost there. And I want this to be a little bit larger, so type it to 23%. Yeah, it's good enough. And last one is better. So we have completed this section in this case also. We have completed this section in this case also, and we have completed this section. Theme will be allocated soon. So we want 4 more images to be here with this kind of animation. So our this row is has opened now. We want our second row to be started. For this, close the table data and also close the table row. After that, we need to start a new row and a new table data. In this, we are gonna make image. So save it, reload your document. You can find a new image. Similarly, I am filling out 3 images over there. So just table data, table data once again, img src is equals to 7.png, hit enter. Table data once again, img src is equals to 8.png. Save your document and refresh it. Similarly, we need to change the height and width. Of our web page. The height of first one should be decreased. Let us copy this height, paste it over there. So as you can see that we have successfully changed the height. The first one should be a little bit smaller, a little bit, so 70% would be better. The second one needs to be changed. I think it should be of 65%. Save it. Yeah, it's better. Third one should be changed. Save the document. And fourth one should be increased. So make it of 85%. Save the document. Okay, last one needs to be more bigger. As you can see that we have completed our this section also. Once the work is done, just make the border of table from 3 to 0 so that it should not be shown. So what next? We want this animation and we want this kind of footer over there. If you will click over here, you will be redirected to our YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel Cyber Warriors and press the bell icon for future updates. So I want a footer. For this, first of all, we need to close the table data in all the cases, and obviously we do not want this row much more, so close this row also, and also close the table tag. Save it. So now I want a new table for the footer purpose, and border is equals to 3 and width is equals to 100%. Save the document, and the table consists of table row and table data. In the table data, I want design DESIGNED, designed by Cyber Warriors. Save it. Here we have Cyber Warriors, but as compared to this does not look pretty much good. So first of all, change the background color from white to purple. Save the document. So here we go. We want the font color to be white. Simply type font color is equals to white. So here we go, and we want it to be aligned in center, so align the TD in center, and the height should be a little bit bigger. So I have assigned the height 10%. So we are almost done. Just close the tag, font, TD, table row, and table also. After that, we need to close our body tag, and after that we need to close our HTML tag also. Reload your document and make the border from 3 to 0. Save it, reload it. So we have a good impact over there. Now I want, when I move my mouse here, it should zoom out, right? So come back to this document, scroll upward in this style section, hit enter, and start a new section like dot zoom. Here I'm making it TRANSITION, transition, transform, and provide any time here like 2 seconds, and here dot zoom, hover means when the mouse will be over there. I'm making it transform, scale like 1 or 2. So we have a CSS of name zoom. We need to use it over there. So the TD class will be zoom. Save it, reload it. So here we have a little much mistake. TRA, transition, transform, scale. See this, we have written 2 seconds and 2, so it's taking 2 seconds to zoom out and it's making our image 2% larger. So I do not want that much larger, I want this much of zoom effect only. So simply type it up 1.5 and save the document, reload. So now it will take 2 seconds to make it 1.5% larger. Simply type 0.5 seconds and 0.2. Save it. We have our effect over there, right? Same like this. Copy this to each TD and paste it down. Now save it, reload the document, and in our design you will find we have successfully completed this section over there also, and this section over there also, and obviously this section over there also. Now we want our this section, we have successfully completed our this section over there. Now if you guys haven't subscribed to Cyber Warriors YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for future updates. You will find HTML tutorials, Kali Linux tutorials, web designing, web development, CorelDRAW photo tutorials over there. So this was the first part of this tutorial. The second part to make this effect will be posted soon, and a new website design will be waiting for you all guys. So thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe the Cyber Warriors YouTube channel.